In this ukulele tutorial, Christmas tutorial that is, we're going to learn a song covered by Michael Jackson, the one and only Jackson 5, written by Tommy Connor. This one is I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus. If Mommy had only seen Mommy kissing Santa Claus last night. All right, welcome to Ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thank you for being here, and I appreciate you subscribing to the channel, turning on that bell notification. So we're going to do some Christmas songs, and these are just going to be fun, somewhat tutorials, but really more like play along. So I'm going to show you the strum patterns, the chords, everything's going to be on the screen for you to follow along, the lyrics, the diagrams, all that stuff. We'll have the cursor moving along. If you want the sheet music, which I highly recommend, and getting the backing track, because the backing track is killer. I'll put a link below so you can go get that stuff, and then you can follow along right here on this video for us. So anyway, we're gonna have a good time with this stuff. And since we're talking about Christmas, if you or somebody is ready to learn ukulele or ready to kind of bring out the natural talent, the skills that you know you have on ukulele, check out ukelikethepros.com. We got fantastic courses, memberships, and fantastic worldwide community. We call it the Ukelikethepros Nation. All right, so let's just jump right into this bad boy. We're gonna be in a key of C. And this version was taken right from the Daily Ukulele book, which is a fantastic book. It's got a bunch of songs, and it does have some Christmas songs as well. You can get that at my store. That's store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so let's just talk about the strum pattern real quick. I'm going to do probably a couple different strum patterns, and I'll tell you why here. The first one is going to be mainly like the granddaddy strum, which is just this. But we have to change it up because that granddaddy strum is a fantastic strum pattern, but it doesn't work great when you have 2 chords per measure, and you do have that in the song. So really maybe a better rhythm for you if you don't want to switch between the two is just this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That way, when you have 2 chords in measure like the C to A minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, you can do that real easy because those strums comes on beat, or the chords change on beats 1 and beat 3. So that's really the 2 that I'm going to be using. By the way, this one's going to be with a little bit of a swing feel, and you'll feel that right when we get to the backing track. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a play along, sing along with this one. All the chords are pretty simple. Actually, let me see. No bar chords at all. There could be 1 bar chord, the B7, but I decided to do it non-bar chord for you. So anyway, this is just kind of a fun light song. It was done by Jackson 5. It was done by the Ronettes, which is probably the more famous version you hear during the holiday season. But this one is going to be the Terry Carter Ukelikethepros version. So you ready? Let's go ahead. Let's do some play along, sing along. This one is I Saw Mama or Mommy Kissing Santa Claus. 1, 2, 3. I saw Mommy kissing Santa Claus underneath the mistletoe last night. She didn't see me creep down the stairs to have a peep. She thought that I was tucked up in my bedroom fast asleep. And then I saw Mommy tickle Santa Claus underneath his beard so snowy white. Oh, what a laugh it would have been if Daddy had only seen Mommy kissing Santa Claus last night. All right, so how did you do on that? It's not too fast of a song. Again, get the sheet music, get all this stuff, the backing track, get it all for free. We're going to put a link below so you can sign up and go get all that stuff. Now, you might have noticed I did something at the end. I just had a little fill here because we were doing a song. Da dee 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 da da. And all it is just going up the C scale. So I can do an open string. You can really do anything when you have a little bit of space at the end to do it. I just kind of did that little lick. It's just coming down that C major scale. So anyway, that's my version. That's my version. I Saw Mommy Kissing Santa Claus. Have fun with these. These are just holiday Christmas songs. They're meant to have a good time, smile, and share the joy. So again, get the sheet music for free. Check out ukelikethepros.com. Come be part of the worldwide nation that we have going over there to become a great ukulele player. And again, this stuff was taken from the Daily Ukulele book. That's at store.ukelikethepros.com, your #1 source for all your online ukulele needs. So thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Leave a comment below. How do you like the video? Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.